Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity Brokerage account on iPhone, fast access step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Fidelity and tap search. Locate the Fidelity Investments app in the search results. Download and install the app on your device. Once the app is installed, locate the Fidelity icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the Fidelity app. On the welcome screen, find the login option and tap it. You will be prompted to enter your username. Input your username carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Tap next to proceed to the password entry screen. Enter your password in the designated field. Double-check your password for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap Login to access your account. If you have enabled Touch ID or Face ID, you may be prompted to use it for faster access. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account overview. From here, you can navigate through your account features as needed. Make sure to log out once you're finished, especially if you're using a shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.